I'm going to show you the secret cup holder. Step 1. Secret cup holder. There's a hidden and mostly useless cup holder in this Land Rover. Step 2. Push to open. This mechanism can fail. Step 3. The trim is secured with 2 clips. Step 4. Replace cup holder mechanism. Look at how dusty the old one is. So here's what's wrong with the old one. You can see it doesn't really come out. It comes out a little. Sometimes. That's where we're going to put this new one into the existing unit here. Just like this. Step 5. Insert trim back into dash. There's some slots here, so peg, slides in slot. These are the only 2 clips. Those go into these plastic mounts. Clip, mount. How's it work? Wonderful. Let's try it out. Nice. Sweet. So those are good. How about this? Nice. All right.
Thank you.